My name is Cliff. Today, I'm going to teach you how to configure the plugin UpdraftPlus. In your dashboard of WordPress, click in Plugins and Add New. Search for UpdraftPlus. Click in Install Now. Click in Activate Now and click in Setting. Your first backup, but we need to go in setting before. I like to do backup date. Put everything daily, 1 and 1. After, choose Google Drive and click in Sign Up with Google. Before, we need to save the change. After signing with Google, select your account in Google, click Continue and select All and continue again. Click in Complete Setup to come back in your WordPress. Now, let's look at if everything is okay. My account is here. When I make a backup, all my backup will be in Google Drive. But it's very impossible to change the name because you need the Pro version. It's for that you need to buy the Pro version. In this moment, it's where you need Nippy. To get Nippy, you need to go and plan. We got 2 plans, starter and lifetime plan. You got all the Pro plugins. You got the complete website package, 1 year update, and Pro plugins. The same here, but in this moment, you have lifetime updates. After that, you have exclusive design package, premium template, additional plugins, Pro themes, WooCommerce Pro themes, dedicated support, and exclusive community. Once everything is okay, click in Get Nippy. Now, you need to put your name and last name, your phone number, email, password, and check all of these. Click in Get Nippy. After that, go to your profile in Nippy. Click in Pro plugin include with Nippy. Go here, click in Download plugins to get the Pro version. Click in Save. Everything is okay. The plugin is downloaded. Once everything is done, go in your plugins. Here, plugins, add new, upload, and choose file. Click Install Now. Click in Replace. The plugin is updated successfully. Go to Plugins now and click Setting, and now in Setting you got the option to choose folder. We don't have folder, we need to create one in Google Drive. Let's go to Google Drive. I'm here in my Google Drive. Click new folder, backup. The name is backup, and go back to your website. Let's refresh this page. Go back again in Settings, select Existing, Backup. Yeah, choose Backup, Confirm, and click in Save. Now is the moment to do our first backup now. Click in Backup Now. Everything is okay. Backup now. You got the Pro version with Nippy. Don't forget, if you want Nippy and all of plugins, we have a Nippy. We have plugins for lifetime plan user too. Go here, you can see you have affiliate plugins, WhatsApp plugins, SEO and analytic plugins. You have e-commerce plugins. All of these plugins is Pro. Don't forget. And you have Page Builder, Elementor. We have DV2. You have optimization and performance plugins like Smooth and WAMP Optimize Premium Pro, Translation plugin, Schedule Inform plugins, Security and SSL plugins, and let's go back. The backup is finished. Click in Close. Let's look at all the information to your backup is here. You can restore, you can delete, and you can view log. Let's go in my Google Drive. Let's click here. All the backup is here. You can see everything works verified with the Pro plan and Nippy. Now, how to restore your website? I'm going to use the plugin to restore your website. Now, let's go in my WordPress to do this. Click in UpdraftPlus. You need to have this plugin installed before you lose everything, okay? Now, click in Restore. Everything is okay. Choose the component. I'm going to restore all the things. Just check everything. Click in next. Download it back up. Everything is okay. Let's see what happened here. The download backup file is needed. Okay. Let's click and restore. Okay. Restoration progress. Database okay. Plugins. Okay. Themes. Okay. Uploads is okay. Restore successful. Let's come back. Click and return to WordPress configuration. Now you need to log in again in your website. I am logging in my website. I look here, everything looks good. Let's refresh this page to see what happens here. Okay, everything is okay. Let's see the service page. Good. Review page. Good. Okay, let's go into WordPress to look at the pages. You can see I have all my pages back again. Everything is okay. If you need help, just let a comment below. I will let all the link, hosting your Nippy link. And very important, if you are our client and you need the plugins of WordPress, go in your account page or login in Nippy link. Just click in login. Next, go in plugins include with Nippy link. Go here and click in WordPress Pro to download the plugin. After the plugin is downloaded, you can use it in your website to restore your website. And if you are not our client yet, go to nippylink.com, click and get started. Put your first name, last name, your phone number, your email, your password, and check all this and click and get Nippy link. After, go to your account page, you can download the plugins. After that, remember, you can have access to WordPress in all other plugins. For example, WordPress Security, Divi, Rank Max 0 Pro, MemberPress Download, MemberPress PDF, MemberPress Account, MemberPress Pro, Fluent CMR. This is Email Marketing Pro, Fluent Support, Fluent Form, Betterdoc, in Admin Insight Enhancement. And if you are our lifetime client, you can click in plugins for lifetime plan user, and you can have access to all of these plugins, affiliate plugins, WhatsApp plugins, SEO and analytic plugins, e-commerce plugins, page builder and design plugins. All is plugins, optimization and performance plugins, translation plugins, schedule plugins, security and SSLA plugins. And after that, you have more options. WordPress Pro Theme, WooCommerce Pro Theme. Don't forget, if you want to have access to all of these plugins, you need to do one subscription. You just need to get Nippy link, have access forever. You can see that. After that, you can have a complete website package, lifetime update in this moment, plugins, the same in the plan starter, exclusive package, premium template, additional plugins, pro themes, WooCommerce Pro Team, dedicated support, and exclusive community. My name is Cliff. If you love this video, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.